Hi, this is Adu from VisionX speaking again. Today, I would like to show you some panels of our lab brick. This is our 3.9 indoor lab brick. This is our 2.6 and this is our 1.9. So it is mainly for fixed installation because it is very thin. We can build the screen just like the building blocks, as easy as the building blocks. This is our concept to make this kind of products. So we would like to show you a little bit more details from the back side. So for the module size, it is 500 by 125 millimeters. So all the modules and the power box, the modular power box can be serviced from the front side. So it is very easy for the client to make some service. Even a non-transparent, it is a non-experienced technician also can do the service and the maintenance themselves. So just to make it as simple as possible. So if you have any questions or would like to know more details about our lab brick products, just visit our website visionx.com. Thank you.